Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Choose one of the following. Elastic ear loops. 2 pieces, 7 inches each, of rope elastic or 1/8 wide flat elastic. If using rope elastic, tie a knot in each end. You need 7.5 yards of elastic for 25 masks, 14 inches per mask.
Make your mark, take our lead.
1/8. The best size of elastic for face masks is the 1/8 braided elastic. It is the ideal size for making ear loops for face masks. The size and thickness of the elastic make it easy to sew into a fabric. Also, the size is comfortable to wear around the ears and will not cause any discomfort.
Take our lead.
What is the best width of elastic for face masks? There is no standard width requirement for elastics when making face masks. Many people recommend using 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch wide elastics because the size is not that narrow, wherein it can easily break, and not that wide, wherein it can be uncomfortable on the ears.
Take our lead.
Elastic. Either the cording or the flat will work just fine. 1/4 is best. Smaller, think, it's going behind your ears. If you are not able to purchase the elastic, you can go through your closet and find clothes that may have it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.